Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna have a look at my first contest. Yes, after all these years this is my first contest. You'd think I'd have done some by now, but no, not really interested, or wasn't really interested should I say, until Brickworks come along and said actually if you get 10 contacts you can have a big tick. So I'm on it. The contest that I entered into was deliberately set up by the RSGB for people who'd never done contests before. The idea being that you can use reasonably easy equipment. Is that the right word? Easy equipment? Somebody coming new into the hobby. You've got a limited amount of equipment. There are two categories, 10 watts and up to 50 watts. So somebody with a minimum amount of equipment coming into the hobby can have a go. It's FM only and it's UK only. Get yourself on the hilltop, get yourself somewhere high up, go on your mobile, take your handheld with you, whatever. You can have a go at it. Absolutely brilliant that way. Just watch what happened. Here are the edited highlights of the contacts that I made. Not everybody's in there, sorry if you're not in there, but please enjoy. And then I'll tell you at the end, will I be doing it again, and what was the surprise activation in there? Oh, did I just give the game away? Watch the video, enjoy, watch to the end. Oh, and please give us a thumbs up, press the button to subscribe and the bell and all that, and please just give me a bit of feedback as well through YouTube. I'd be grateful with that. Thank you very much. Some comments go down well. Thumbs up. Thank you. Oh, CQ contest. This is Golf 6 Papa November Hotel. Call the CQ contest.
Golf 7 Whiskey Kilo X-ray portable.
Yeah, Golf 7 station there. This is Golf 6 Papa November Hotel. You were the first one in my book today. Congratulations. The locator is India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra. And you're 001. Could you come back with your call sign, please, and your locator from G6PNH?
Yeah, this is Golf 7 Whiskey Kilo X-ray portable. You're 59003-59003. India Oscar 83 Oscar Juliet 83 Oscar Juliet QSL.
G6PNH, G6FXF.
Oh yeah, G6PNH. Who was that? Sorry, G6MMF.
Yeah, Damien, it's Golf 6 Foxtrot X-ray Foxtrot Tony from the club, over.
Brilliant, thank you very much. Good luck, 73s from G6PNH. Oh, CQ contest. This is Golf 6 Papa November Hotel. G6PNH, calling CQ contest.
Mike 0 Juliet Foxtrot Echo.
Mike 0 Juliet Foxtrot Echo. This is G6PNH.
Sorry, I missed that. You're a bit quiet to me. Go again.
Yeah, it's G6PNH. Is that Mike 0 Juliet Foxtrot Echo?
QSL G6PNH. I've got your QSL.
Lovely. My square is India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra, and you're 003.
Oh, QSL on the 003, but I've got your 5 and 9 as well, so yeah, I've got it in the log right. Yeah, you're 5 and 9, 004. Into Italy Oscar 83 Lima Whiskey QSL.
Yeah, India Oscar 83 Lima Whiskey. Lovely. Thank you very much for G6PNH.
Cheers, David. Yeah, this is on Maldol, mate.
It's what, sorry?
Yeah, I'm on the Maldol tonight. It's not a full height yet.
Alright. I just sat in car in rain.
Alright, well, you're doing well. I'm picking you up, no problems over here.
Oh, lovely. Yeah. You're just short of a 5 and 9 with me, actually. Just short, but a really good signal.
You're an 8. I'm pulling you in at an 8, but this is picking up 2 S points more than the X2000. Right, I'll leave you to it, buddy. Thank you very much.
Yeah, cheers. Alright. Speak to you soon. Or CQ contest, CQ contest. This is Golf 6 Papa November Hotel. Call the CQ contest.
This is Mike 0 X-ray Delta portable.
Yeah, Mike 0 X-ray Delta. This is Golf 6 Papa November Hotel. You are 004. I'll give you a signal report in a minute. And the square is India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra from G6PNH.
Yeah, this is Mike 0 X-ray Delta portable returning to G6PNH. Your serial number 00. You're a 5 and 9 into India Oscar 83 Romeo Papa.
Lovely. I just missed the serial number then. Was it 001?
Yeah, that's right, Damien. 001. QSL?
Lovely. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, so it's India Oscar 83 Romeo Papa. Lovely. That's absolutely brilliant. And it's M0XXD. Lovely. Thank you very much, 73s, and good luck with the rest of the contest.
Thank you. What was your signal report, Damien, please?
Oh, yeah, you're a 5 and 3 from G6PNH.
QSL. Good luck, Damien.
Lovely, you as well, 73s, good luck. Hello, CQ contest. This is Golf 6 Papa November Hotel. G6PNH calling CQ contest.
Mike 1 Delta Yankee Uniform.
Mike 1 Delta Yankee Uniform, I think that was. Good evening. My square is India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra, and you are 005. I'll give you a report in a second from G6PNH.
QSL, no problem. You are 5 and 3 with me. Number 4, contact number 4. Italy Oscar 83 Papa Mike. 7-3 and good luck.
Thank you, 7-3s, good luck. G6PNH.
G6PNH, good evening, Damien. Hope you're well.
I am, it's G6PNH. Yeah, I'm on the troll. Somebody jumped on my frequency, so I'm on the troll now. You're 006 with me. I've just missed your call sign though. Can you give me that again? And it's India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra from G6PNH.
It's Mike 0 Lima Oscar Romeo. Is that India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra?
It is Victor Sierra.
You're 5x9, 59. Serial number is 19019, and it's India Oscar 83 Oscar Romeo.
Lovely, thank you very much, Oscar Romeo. And you're a 5 and 9 with me as well, and you're 06 from G6PNH.
Thanks, Damien. Maybe catch you tomorrow. 73, good luck.
Yeah, we're able to look. I'll be there tomorrow. 73s, good luck.
Test. Golf 0 X-ray Bravo Uniform Portable. G0XBU Portable. Contest, over.
G6PNH.
Sorry, the Golf 6 again?
Yeah, it's Golf 6 Papa November Hotel. I'm on India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra, and you are 007.
Roger, number 7, and I'm assuming 5 and 9. You're 5 and 9 with me. Number 30, and I'm in Italy Oscar 83 X-ray Oscar. Over.
Yeah, X-ray Oscar, I think you said there. Can you come back with the first bit of your call sign? I just missed that by accident.
Yeah, sure, I'll give it you all. It's Golf 0 X-ray Bravo Uniform Portable. Over.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. Yes, and you're right. You are a 5 and 9. Anyway, 73s and good luck.
Yeah, Roger, same to you. Thank you. 7-3, good luck.
Yeah, G6PNH.
Triple 6 Papa November Hotel. Hi, Damien. Just on the back of the beam there. Damien, you're 5 and 9, 038 from Italy Oscar 83 Romeo Oscar, Roger.
Yeah, cheers, Phil. Yeah, you're actually on a 5 and 2 with me. Did you get? Can I have your serial number again? You're 08 with me,
And it's India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra from G6PNH.
Okay, Damien, I gave you 59038 from Italy Oscar 83 Romeo Oscar. On top of Winter Hill, Damien, yeah?
Yeah, I'm up on top of Crown Point. That's it. Got it. Lovely. Thanks very much, Phil. Good luck. 73. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, just confirm 520 3 Victor Sierra, will you, pal?
Yeah, there was somebody over the top of you. Yeah, it is India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra. And you're 008.
Roger, thanks, Dave.
CQ contest. This is Golf 6 Popper November Hotel calling CQ contest.
G8WT.
Hello, Tony. This is G6PNH, G8WT. I'm India Oscar 83 Victor Sierra, and you are 010. Good evening from G6PNH.
Wow, you've done well. Very well. Good evening, Damien. You are, guess what? 59. Are you ready for this? 003. 59003. India Oscar 83 Tango. 83 Tango. Over. All the rest, and thank you for the contact. Golf 8 Whiskey Tango.
No, thank you, Tom. 73s, and I'll speak to you soon. So CQ contest.
This particular contest is set up to introduce people into contesting, and it's set up so that it's just FM. It's on the UK. There are two categories, 10 watts and 50 watts. I was on the 50 watt one. However, it's set up in such a way that new licensees can give it a go with the minimum amount of kit, which is brilliant. Love it. Would I do it again? Yes, I will probably have another go next time, which is on the first Tuesday of the month. I will think a bit more carefully about my setup. Another pro with this was that it ended up being a POTA activation. The location I chose was high up, happened to be a POTA. I've got nothing to do a POTA. The downside was it was that busy that people were jumping onto your frequency where you were trying to call CQ. I ended up having to troll through to get as many contacts as I could and pick those contacts up. I found it very difficult to find a free frequency. And thankfully somebody came on and said, Damien, you're doubling, there's QRM. So I shifted somewhere else again. I got the contacts in eventually. Slightly put me off a little bit was the fact that it was too busy and people, you're on a time limit. So everybody's in there as fast as they can. You've got a 55-minute time limit. I think that put me off a little bit in that it wasn't quite as relaxed. Also, one of the downsides was I entered my contacts in manually. I say manually on the PC over the internet with the RSGB. They then said, put in a PIN number in case you want to go back and edit it. I wanted to go back and edit it. Did I get... No. 2 hours it took me to find a way in. I didn't find a way in. I give up. That put me off a little bit. Somebody's going to come back though, I'm sure, and tell me this is how you edit it. I'm sure, but it shouldn't have taken 2 hours. Somebody like myself, it shouldn't have taken 2 hours to find a way in, and I still couldn't find a way in, so I just gave up. I will definitely be on giving points away, that's definite, and I think I might very well look for another POTA place, because one of the positives is you read on Facebook about people saying 145 alive. Are we having another event? Yeah, we are. There's one every first Tuesday. The number of people that were on there was absolutely brilliant. Yeah, 55 minutes. But if you want to go on and just make contacts, give them, give the people who are doing the contest some points. Brilliant, and you get a contact. People like myself who are up there doing it, I don't mind. 2-3 minute QSO, I'm happy with that. We'll move on. Okay, some people want your information, move on to the next one. They want to get as many points as they can. Please respect that. But people like myself, yeah, I'll have a couple of minutes with you. I'll have a quick natter, then I'll move on to somebody else. That is a lovely way to make contacts, and for me that was one of the big things. Okay, so until next time, Bet 73s, this is G6PNH.